the grassy cove off a lonely road, some travellers made their stop. 5 caravans stuck like warts on a toad in a hedgerow parking lot. The silver moon lay overhead, the ground around it shone, as their campfires and portable TVs flickered, then expired one by one by one by one by one. Suddenly, into the night there comes a sound primeval, vain, screeching, scraping sound of undiluted evil. Wake themselves, dogs back to the night. They know not what lurks in those fields, heard without a sight. Wolves, the wolves of Worcestershire, striking fear, striking fear. Wolves, the wolves of Worcestershire, striking fear, striking fear. Wolves, the wolves of Worcestershire, striking fear, striking fear. Wolves, the wolves of Worcestershire, striking fear into the hearts of the denizens of those deserted parts. The tired judges tremble from inside rose-clad bungalows. Bigger vigilantes stand picking strawberries on their toes. All around this ancient shire, local people live and cower. Never walk in woods alone, evening clubs don't ever roam. Little children hungry not to be eaten up and then the smoke of their way home from school. That's why when this body homes in the suburbs, squirrels in the parks, starlings in the mausoleum, swallows in the dark, battles in the belfry, buckshot in the deer, weevils in the windmills, wolves in Worcestershire.